In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create an account on the platform Apex Pro. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Apex Pro, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. You will get a 5% cashback on all of your trading fees on the account, and you will also be able to participate in any ongoing events where you can pick up even more bonuses. So to create an account on here, after you've clicked on the link, just go up here to the right corner and click on Connect Wallet. Here you have two different options. One is to just use one of these wallets if you already have a wallet, or you can simply also create one, or you can even use your socials. For example, if you click on email, you can just type in your email address here, you will get a code, and then you can sign up that way too and later on deposit money to your account. The other option is of course to use one of these wallets. I personally like to use the MetaMask wallet because it's very common. You can simply install the Chrome extension on your browser and then you will have it right here on the top. After you have created an account, you will get your personal deposit address to which you can send different funds. For example, I'm using the Ethereum network, but you can also use different networks. I will show you them later on. And I would recommend you to have some Ethereum on it to cover any transaction fees. And then you have the option to trade with USDC or US dollar Tether. So these two are options. In my case, you can see I have some Ethereum and some USDC coin on here. To connect our MetaMask wallet to Apex Pro, you simply have to click here on MetaMask, then click on Send Requests. We have to sign that once right here. And then we can see that now our MetaMask wallet is connected to Apex Pro. As we can see up here, this is our Ethereum address. Don't forget to create an account on Apex Pro by using the link down from the video description to get the 5% cashback and much more bonuses, the best sign-up bonus possible on this platform. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.